Essential oils in pets. Our furry family members are so important to us, and because they're unable to communicate exactly how they're feeling, it can be difficult to discern what is going on. We love them so much, and in many cases will do things for them that we wouldn't even do for ourselves. It makes sense that we would want the products we use with them to be natural, and the same ones we would use for ourselves. Essential oils can be a natural way to support your pet's health and emotional well-being. Some safety considerations you will want to keep in mind are, to begin, you can use the oils aromatically, and then shift to topically if needed, and the oil can be applied that way. Never apply oils in your pet's eyes, nose, or on their genitals. You will also not want to apply oils to the tips of long-eared dogs to ensure the oil cannot get into their eyes when they shake their head. If you're finding your dog's skin is sensitive to the oil, you can add fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, or extra virgin olive oil. Here are some essential oils that you can consider using with your furry family members. Cilantro can help to reduce muscle and joint pain, support circulation in the immune system, detoxify the body, and cool inflammation. Frankincense supports the liver, brain, bladder, and kidney health, reduces sadness, cools inflammation, detoxifies the body, and promotes healthy cell production. Geranium helps to detoxify the body, improves dry skin, supports liver health, helps to stop bleeding, and promotes normal hormone production. Helichrysum supports muscle health, stops bleeding, helps circulation, aids in soothing wounds. Lavender reduces anxiety, stress, fear, and sadness, helps to soothe burns and wounds, supports the immune system, cools inflammation, and promotes skin health. Lemongrass helps to detoxify the body, supports healthy muscles, eliminates parasites, and supports the bladder and thyroid health. Rosemary cools inflammation, relieves pain and discomfort, supports the respiratory system, and boosts brain function. Although some essential oils are safe and effective for us, they can cause harm to your pets. These oils include wintergreen, which can irritate the digestive tract, melaleuca or tea tree, which can cause lethargy, vomiting, fever, etc., birch, thyme, clove, unless it's diluted and used for post-oral surgery care, oregano, unless you're supporting dogs dealing with parvovirus. Your dogs may have adverse reactions to other oils as well, so always keep an eye on them for any odd behavior after application. If you have a dog or a cat with a short nasal passage like a Boston Terrier, Bulldog, or Pug, you do not want to use essential oils topically because of the short distance between the nasal passage and the brain and the rapid delivery of the oil. Rather than using essential oils on or close to these animals, one drop or a very small amount can be placed on a cloth a short distance away from the animal's bed. Smaller pets should only be given diluted essential oils. Use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to 1 or 2 drops of essential oils for pets weighing less than 30 pounds. For pets over 30 pounds, a 1-to-1 ratio is recommended, with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for 1 or 2 drops of essential oils. You can perform a patch test by applying 1 drop of diluted oil to an area where your pet will not lick or come into contact with their eyes. Irritation could include gastrointestinal upset, redness, swelling, or itchiness. Just to be safe, do not use essential oils with animals that are pregnant, puppies under 3 months of age, or animals that are acutely ill. Keep in mind that because essential oils are powerful, they can build up within an animal's system. Signs of toxicity can include changes in eating and sleeping habits, behavior shifts such as less enthusiasm, lethargy or confusion, vomiting, constipation or diarrhea, muscle spasms, and increased drooling. If your dog is naturally seizure prone, it's thought that some essential oils can trigger a seizure. There's not enough scientific evidence to prove this, and some feel that any pungent smell can trigger a seizure, so you'll want to keep that in mind. The essential oils that are most considered contraindicated with dogs with seizures include camphor, eucalyptus, fennel, hyssop, pennyroyal, rosemary, sage, tansy, tea tree, thuja, turpentine, and wormwood. With regard to cats, they have very sensitive immune systems, so you'll also want to avoid using all citrus oils, melaleuca and tea tree, thyme, clove, oregano, wintergreen, vetiver, peppermint, rosemary, white fir, cypress, and Roman chamomile. Keep in mind that if you've purchased an essential oil blend, it may have these oils in them, so always be sure to read your labels. Cats also have a very strong sense of smell, so with other essential oils, make sure they have an exit route when you're diffusing, and use only 3 drops in an atomizing diffuser. For other uses, you'll want to be sure that you dilute your essential oil heavily. A general rule of thumb is that the guidelines for an infant can be used for a cat. Now that we've touched on some of the safety aspects, keep in mind that we review the safety information to ensure you're able to benefit from essential oils, while ensuring you keep your animals safe. There are many oils and blends you can explore to support your pet's health and well-being. Just remember that pets metabolize oils differently than humans, and you'll always want to make sure that you have a complete health plan for your pet that includes your veterinarian. Please see the handout that accompanies this lesson for many blends and recipes for your pets.